Septic tanks covered by decks can feel like a total nightmare, but you can handle this without losing your mind if you know what to do. Okay, first off, don't panic about that deck covering the septic system. You can totally cut an access hole in the deck for pumping and inspections. It's actually pretty common to have a removable section for this kind of thing. Just make sure the boards are screwed down so you can take them off easily every few years when the tank needs cleaning. Since you're in a rural area, permits might not even be required, but it's smart to check with your local county just in case. When accessing the tank, be careful not to damage any pipes or lids underneath. Also, keep in mind septic tanks don't usually need pumping often if you take good care of them. Avoid flushing harsh chemicals or bleach, since they kill the helpful bacteria that break down waste. These bacteria are like your tank's best friends, so keep them happy by using septic-safe cleaners and not pouring grease or coffee grounds down the drain. Finally, keep heavy stuff off the deck directly above the tank to avoid cracks or damage. One of the biggest issues with septic tanks covered by decks is lack of easy access for maintenance. People forget or avoid pumping because the deck makes it a pain, which leads to backups and costly repairs. Fix it by installing a removable deck section or hatch for quick access. Another common mistake is killing off the natural bacteria in the tank by using harsh chemicals. Switch to natural or septic-safe cleaning products to keep the system healthy. Lastly, folks sometimes park vehicles or put heavy stuff on the deck over the tank, causing cracks or pipes to break. Avoid heavy loads in that area and stick with lightweight furniture instead. If you're feeling overwhelmed, bighomeprojects.com is a solid spot to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with septic systems and deck repairs. Plus, contractors can use the site to connect with homeowners who actually need their expertise, making it easier for everyone to get things done right.